Hi, first graders. Miss Hamilton here. We're going to practice adding two-digit numbers, but I want to show you something that can help you solve these equations on your own. Now, when I've been solving numbers, you've noticed that I've had my tens and ones over here. Now, you don't have these at your house, right? But I'm going to show you a trick you can use in your notebook. You can get out your notebooks and solve these problems with me. Pause the video, get out your notebooks, and then hit play. See if you can solve these equations with me. Look at this equation. 21 plus 31. Now I could take out two tens from my 10 sticks over here, but if I don't have that at my house, I can show you how you can draw it in your notebook. I can show you a 10 by just drawing a line. It kind of looks like a 10 stick. That can be a 10. If I'm drawing 21, I know here's my 10s and here's my 1s. I need to have two of these, two 10s. Now, to show the 1s, instead of a cube, I could just make a dot. 21. This can show 21. Now I want to add 31. 10, 20, 30, 31. I'm going to put these together. I'm adding them. So I'm going to push them together. Look, I can add the 10s. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 5 10s. And I have 1, 2 1s. 2 1s if I put those together. You can draw the lines and the dots in your notebook to help you solve problems like these. Let's try drawing a different one in our notebooks. Now we're going to solve this equation, 27 plus 38. Again, you can get out your notebook and practice with me. You can draw the 10s and the 1s. You can pause the video if I go too fast. Look, I have 27. That's 2 10s and 7 1s. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I can also draw 38. That's 3 10s and 8 1s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to add these numbers or put them together. So I need to add the 10s and the 1s. Now I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. The first way, I'm going to put the 10s together just like I did before. I'm also going to write an equation. So watch this. Here's my 10s. I'm going to circle them up and push them together. I have 2 10s, 20, plus 30, and I know 2 plus 3 equals 5, so 20 plus 30 equals 50. I could check that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I know when I add the 1s, it's going to be more than a 10, because I got 7 here, and I only need 3 more to make a 10. So here's what I could do. I could add the 1s up next. Look, I could do 7 plus 8. If I add 7 and 8, I know I'm going to need 3 more to make a 10. I'm going to circle these dots. Do you notice how I circled 10 dots? Here's 7 from 27, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have a 10 and some 1s. Here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Now I'm not done. What I've really done is I've put together the 10s and the 1s. So now I have my 5 10s, my 50. There's my 50. And I have my 15 that I just made because I put together these 1s to make this 10. 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now I know I have 5 10s and 1 10. And so if I add 50 plus 15, it's going to equal 60 something. It's going to equal 60. And I have 0 1s plus 5 1s. It's going to equal 65. This is one way we can do this. I can show you another way. Here's another way to solve the same equation. We're still going to be putting together the 10s and the 1s, but we're going to put together the 1s one at a time. Just a different way to think about it. I still have the same numbers. I still have 27. And I still have 38. Now, just like I did before, I find adding the tens together easy. I can put together the tens, which we already did once. We know 20 plus 30 equals 50. Now I could add the ones one at a time. I could take the ones from 27. They're right here. If I want to add the ones from 27, there's 7 of them. So I have 50 because I put together my tens. And if I have 50 plus the 7 from 27, I know I'm going to get 57 because we know how to count on from a 10. It's easy. 50 plus 7 equals 57. Now I have 57, but I'm not done. Do you see how I haven't added these 8 ones from 38? If I'm at 57 from what I've all put together, I just need to add 8 more. I'm great at putting numbers in my head and counting on. I could put 57 in my head and count on 8. I'm going to stop when my fingers look like this. 57, and we're stopping when our fingers look like this. Ready? 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. It's 65. We got the same answer in 2 different ways. What I really want you to see, first graders, is how you can draw the tens and the ones in your notebook just like this. If you were really stuck, you could just count them all together. That will always give you the total when you're adding.